Hi guys, I hope you're all right. This is kind of my first test at doing a lesson via Screencast, so hopefully it goes good. So I'm going to start off by doing a lesson on emit and reflect for science, so follow along with me. So our learning target today is to learn the difference between emitting and reflecting light. Before we get into that though, I want to quickly review the order of the planets. So a great way to do this is to think of the mnemonic, my very educated mother just served us nachos. I think we've sometimes said my very excellent mother just served us nachos. Or if you guys came up with your own, that's fine too. And it helps us to remember the order, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So kind of our essential question for this lesson is, why do stars twinkle but planets don't? So stars twinkle because of the light traveling over a large distance, and that's because stars emit light and planets do not. Planets actually reflect light from the stars that they are orbiting. So these objects all have something in common. So we have a kind of a firefly, some can't think of the word right now, some glow sticks, and then a light bulb and a flame. So these are all things that emit light. That means they give off light or they produce light, and that's something that they all do, and they all have that in common. So stars can be seen because they emit light. Everything else in the night sky is seen by reflected light, and they reflect light typically off of the sun. So quick little definition of emit. So emit just means to give off or to produce, and then it's specifically in this example giving off light. Reflect means to give back or to bounce. So a quick look at this diagram. It's just when the light is kind of bouncing off or reflecting back off of an object. So the stars and the sun, most of the objects we see in the night sky are stars, which are light-emitting objects, and therefore they are all sources of energy. The sun is obviously the largest object in the sky that emits light for us. Obviously, it's not the largest star, and when you watch the videos on the rest of the Power Learning page, you'll see that it's by no means the largest star. There's many, many, many stars that are just so much larger than our sun. And then the moon and planets. So there are a relatively small number of objects in the night sky that are seen by reflected light, the most visible of which is the moon. The moon, planets, and all of their satellites are seen because they reflect light from our sun. So before you open the screencast, I really hope you had a chance to open up the student worksheet document that I had attached to the right side of this page. So if you didn't, please pause the screencast here and make sure you do print that off, because you do need to follow along with the next little bit with the worksheet. So we're going to focus primarily on objects in space and whether or not they emit or reflect light. So you'll notice on your worksheet that you have a T-table or a chart that has emit on the left-hand side and reflect on the right-hand side. So we're going to fill that in right now with all the objects in space. So in our left-hand column, we have all of the objects that emit light in space. So for example, our sun, all stars, galaxies, meteors, and nebulae. Okay, so a nebula is the formation, is kind of like the starting formation of a different group of stars. And then all of the objects reflect light. So planets, even though it looks like they are giving off light, they're very bright in the sky, they're reflecting it from the sun. Moons as well. Our moon is very, very bright in the sky, especially when it's full, but again, it is just reflecting light from the sun. Comets are just giant balls of ice and rock, so they're also just reflecting it from the sun. Asteroids and meteoroids are just big rocks as well. The difference between a meteor and then a meteoroid is that meteors are they're burning up as they come into our atmosphere, so they are giving off light. I would definitely suggest pausing here if you haven't had a chance to fill in that tea table. So please finish that tea table. And when you have had time, please answer those 2 questions at the bottom of the page. So right now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a planetary object or an object in space. And I want you to, in your head, or you can say it out loud, it's up to you, say whether the object emits or reflects light. And then I will go over each one with you, okay? So first of all, the sun. Does the sun emit or reflect light? Take a second, think about it. So the sun emits light. Okay, it gives off its own light. It's a big ball of energy giving off light. What about the moon? So the moon reflects light, and it reflects light from the sun. What about the Earth? So the Earth as well reflects light from the sun, just like all the other planets in our solar system. What about a comet? So a comet also reflects light, even though it looks super bright and beautiful in the night sky. It is just a ball of ice. There's no actual energy being produced. It's reflecting it directly off the sun. What about satellites? So satellites again reflect light. They're usually just in the Earth's atmosphere, and they are just a bunch of metal gadgets. They reflect light from the sun. What about the Crab Nebula? Beautiful, right? So Crab Nebula emits light. That's just a cluster of stars and gases and just really just a bunch of energy. What about Io, Jupiter's moon? So Io reflects light as well. It's a moon, so it just reflects light right off the sun. What about a black hole? So a black hole, kind of a trick question, it actually absorbs light, so it doesn't emit or reflect light. So it doesn't give off any light, it just absorbs any light that comes anywhere near it. What about Saturn? So Saturn, like all other planets, reflects light. What about a meteor? So this is something that's like burning up in our atmosphere, emits light. And then the Andromeda galaxy. Again, another beautiful thing to look at. It emits light. It's a galaxy. It's just a cluster of stars. So I have a little task for you to do. This is going to be kind of how I'm assessing you. Also, I'm also going to be looking at the multiple choice questions that you answer on the worksheet that I asked you to print off. So if you could please take a picture of that and post that to Seesaw. And then once you've done that, you're going to do a little scavenger hunt with your iPad. So you're going to take pictures of things around your house that emits or reflects light. Please post 3 objects that emit light and 3 that reflect light. And I'd love you to post that to Seesaw along with a picture of your worksheet so we can, so I can see that you understood the lesson. And I hope you guys are all having a great day, and definitely like or subscribe if you like what you're hearing. Anyways, you're going to be able to hear another lesson from me soon. Okay, bye.